Are you over 60 or 70 and feeling like your muscles aren't quite what they used to be? Maybe you find yourself a little wobbly or getting around just isn't as easy as it once was. If you're nodding along, you are absolutely not alone. Losing muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia, is a natural part of aging. But natural doesn't mean unavoidable or unfixable. What if I told you there are simple, delicious ways to help your body rebuild that strength, improve your balance, and literally walk strong again? And it all comes down to a few sips of something you probably already enjoy. Howdy, folks, and welcome to our channel, Core Health 365. We're going to teach you all there is to know about your health. So watch this complete video, and you'll learn all about health problems and how to fix them. Today, we're diving into some fascinating research, particularly from Dr. Mandell, about 3 powerful teas that can make a real difference. Stay tuned, because this information could truly change your daily life. First, let's understand why this is such a critical topic. As we age, typically after 30, we start losing muscle mass at a rate of about 3 to 8% per decade. By the time we hit 60, this can accelerate. This isn't just about looking toned. It's about your quality of life, your independence, and your overall health. Reduced muscle strength can lead to a host of problems. Increased risk of falls, difficulty with everyday tasks like getting out of a chair or carrying groceries, and even a slower metabolism. It impacts your balance, your stamina, and your ability to enjoy life to its fullest. Many people think this is just how it is, but groundbreaking research, including that highlighted by Dr. Mandell, shows us there are proactive steps we can take. And surprisingly, some of the most effective solutions are found in nature, right in your teacup. Of course, rebuilding muscle and staying strong is a multifaceted approach. It involves adequate protein intake, resistance exercises, and overall healthy lifestyle choices. But what if there were specific compounds, readily available and easy to consume, that could amplify these efforts? This is where the fascinating work, particularly from Dr. Mandell's research, comes into play. Dr. Mandell and other experts have delved into the powerful properties of certain plants, identifying how their unique compounds can support muscle health, reduce inflammation, and even boost the cellular processes crucial for muscle regeneration. His research highlights how specific natural ingredients can target the underlying mechanisms of muscle loss, helping your body not just maintain, but actively rebuild muscle tissue. And the delivery system for these incredible compounds? 3 common, yet incredibly potent teas. All right, let's dive into our first powerhouse tea, and it's one you might already be familiar with: green tea. Green tea is a global phenomenon for good reason. It's packed with antioxidants, particularly catechins, with the most potent being EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. Dr. Mandell's research and other studies have focused heavily on EGCG's incredible benefits for aging bodies. How does it help with muscle? First, EGCG is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to muscle breakdown as we age. By reducing inflammation, green tea creates a more favorable environment for muscle repair and growth. Secondly, EGCG has been shown to support healthy metabolism and can even help with fat oxidation, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy body composition that supports muscle function. But here's a key point from Dr. Mandell's findings. EGCG can also stimulate muscle protein synthesis, meaning it helps your body build new muscle tissue more effectively. It's like giving your muscle building machinery a powerful tune-up. To get the most out of your green tea, opt for high-quality loose leaf or reputable tea bags. Brew it correctly. Never use boiling water directly. Let it cool for a minute or two, then steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Oversteeping can make it bitter. Aim for 2 to 3 cups a day for optimal benefits. You can enjoy it hot or cold, with a squeeze of lemon to further enhance EGCG absorption. Our second remarkable tea is ginger tea. This spicy root has been revered for centuries in traditional medicine, and modern research, including the insights provided by Dr. Mandell, is confirming its incredible benefits, especially for muscle and joint health. Ginger's power comes from its active compounds called gingerols and showgills. These are potent anti-inflammatory agents. Think about it. When your muscles are sore or your joints ache, it's often due to inflammation. Ginger tea can help soothe that inflammation, reducing pain and discomfort, which in turn encourages more movement and activity. And this is crucial for rebuilding muscle. If you're constantly in pain, you're less likely to exercise or even move around freely. Ginger tea can break that cycle. Dr. Mandell's findings also emphasize ginger's role in improving circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, aiding in their repair and growth. For maximum benefit, I highly recommend making your own fresh ginger tea. Simply peel and thinly slice a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, add it to a mug, pour hot water over it, and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You got a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey if you like. Aim for 1 to 2 cups a day, particularly after exercise or if you're feeling a bit stiff. And for our third muscle-supporting tea, we have the beautiful and beneficial hibiscus tea. Known for its tart, cranberry-like flavor and stunning red color, hibiscus is more than just a pretty drink. Dr. Alan Mandell's research highlights its significant contributions to cardiovascular health, which is directly linked to muscle strength and overall vitality. The key compounds in hibiscus are powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. These are the same compounds that give blueberries and blackberries their deep color, and they're fantastic for your heart and blood vessels. Why is this important for muscles? Because healthy muscles depend on a robust circulatory system. Hibiscus tea has been extensively studied for its ability to help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure can restrict blood flow, making it harder for your muscles to get the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally and recover after activity. By supporting healthy blood pressure and improving overall circulation, hibiscus tea ensures your muscles are well fed and oxygenated, which is absolutely vital for rebuilding strength and reducing fatigue. Furthermore, the antioxidant properties of hibiscus help protect your cells, including muscle cells, from oxidative stress. This means less damage and more efficient repair. It's like giving your body an internal refresh button. Brewing hibiscus tea is very straightforward. You can use dried hibiscus flowers or good quality tea bags. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried flowers or 1 tea bag in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. It's delicious hot or iced. Due to its tartness, you might enjoy it with a little natural sweetener like stevia or honey. Aim for 1 to 2 cups daily. So, how do you incorporate these 3 powerful teas into your daily life? It's simpler than you think. You can start a day with a cup of green tea for that antioxidant and metabolism boost. Enjoy a soothing ginger tea in the afternoon, perhaps after a walk or light exercise to help with any stiffness. And wind down in the evening with a refreshing hibiscus tea, supporting your heart and circulation as you relax. Remember, consistency is key. Make these teas a regular part of your routine. However, and this is crucial, always remember that while these teas offer incredible benefits, they are part of a holistic approach to health. Always consult with your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you're on medication, as some teas can interact with certain drugs. For instance, green tea and hibiscus can affect blood-thinning medications. Your doctor knows your specific health needs best. These teas are a fantastic complement to a balanced diet rich in protein, fruits, and vegetables, and a consistent exercise routine that includes resistance training. They're not a magic bullet, but they are powerful allies in your journey to rebuild muscle and walk strong again. To recap, based on Dr. Alan Mandell's research and other compelling studies, we've explored 3 incredible teas that could truly empower you to rebuild muscle and walk strong again. First, green tea with its potent EGCG for muscle synthesis and antioxidant protection. Second, ginger tea to fight inflammation, ease pain, and boost circulation. And third, hibiscus tea to support healthy blood pressure and robust blood flow to your muscles. Imagine feeling more confident in your steps, having more energy for your favorite activities, and enjoying true independence well into your golden years. These teas offer a simple, natural, and delicious path to help you achieve just that. Give them a try. Which tea are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more practical health tips for a vibrant life.